Hi everyone, Christina here with Arkansas Reiki, and I'm going to talk about energy in relation to herbs. The previous videos that I did, I was talking about crystals and the energy that you can do with crystals, what crystals can do to you. Crystals are basically inert until you add energy to it. But when you're talking about herbalism, you're talking about something that already has the energy in it. So you don't have to add energy to it. You're just adding the substance that has the energy into your body. So different herbs emit different frequencies. And in the video that I put out yesterday, different organs emit different frequencies. So your kidneys emit a certain frequency, your gallbladder emits a certain frequency, your stomach emits a certain frequency, your brain emits. They all have differing frequencies. The whole body as a whole will give you one frequency, but you start splitting it up into the different organ systems, they all have different frequencies. So herbalism is just matching up the frequency for that herb. So if you have, let's say you have a heart condition, your heart is going to be operating at a lower frequency than what it would if it was healthy. So you want to boost that frequency, so that would create a healed state. It would create a healthy state. You add an herb such as hawthorn, like hawthorn berry or hawthorn leaf or hibiscus, something like that, something that works on the heart. You can go and Google what are the heart herbs. These herbs are ones that match the frequency of a healthy heart. So you put that into your body, and your body recognizes it and says, oh, hey, let me match that frequency. My heart wants to match. It's really close, but let's bring it back up to where it should be. That's the basis of healing with herbs. You're matching the frequency so that you can achieve health. So I hope that kind of gives you some indication as to what you're actually doing when you take herbs for health. You're putting frequency into your body. So when you look at something like your food, you want to stay at a higher frequency. And I'll put a chart below on some of the frequencies of different things, different foods that you can put in your body. Not sure if there's one out there on herbs. There should be. I'll look and see if I can find one. But with foods, especially if you're sick, you don't want to eat a food that's low in frequency. For instance, cooked meat is very low in frequency. Anything brown, anything of that color, it's almost like nature color codes things. So you can tell the higher frequency because of the vibrant colors. Those are going to be higher frequency foods that will be healthier for you to put into your body, so that your body can come up and match the frequency and regain its health. So um, until next time, I'm trying to think of what I'm going to do for my video tomorrow. I'm wanting to do another frequency topic because energy is really fascinating. Your body is energy, and it can only heal when it has the proper frequency and can regain what it should be, where it should be. So until next time, I'll see you. Bye.